Hello guys, my name is Ahmed and today my topic is regarding the AWS. Okay, and in AWS I'm gonna tell you that how to create a virtual machines, because most of the people in IT professional, like in the IT field, they know how to create the virtual machines through Hyper-V, through VMware, through VMware workstation. But as far as the IT is being far more better, like gone beyond like those concepts and went into the cloud area. So in this way I'm gonna tell you, in the AWS is one of the cloud platform, is designed by Amazon, and over here you can create the virtual machines in within some minutes and seconds. Okay, defining its properties. Okay, so we're gonna start with it. Okay, first of all, make sure when you log in to your AWS, you're supposed to know that Amazon console.aws.amazon.com. Okay, well, I'm gonna show you again. Okay, how I did logged in into AWS. Okay, I'm gonna go into Google. Okay, and I'll go to aws.amazon.com. okay, login over here. You see this aws.amazon.com over here, that's a console. I'm gonna click over here. It says okay, sign in. I said go, okay, log back again. I've just logged back again over here on my Amazon management console. Okay, so over here on the right hand side on the top corner, if you see my mouse moving, I'm gonna drop down it and I'll choose it as not Virginia. But when you gonna log in first time, you're gonna see it is it's either be in West Oregon or East Ohio. But most of the EC2 instances, where you create the virtual machines, where you have all these images created, or all these instances are there, is this US East North Virginia, which I'm gonna like the most, so I'm gonna select it. Okay, now over here I'm gonna, on the left top hand corner where the AWS logo is here, under the services, I'll drop down it. Okay, and over here under the compute, it is called EC2 called is Elastic Computing, Cloud Computing, Elastic Cloud Computing. Like, is that why it's called EC2, because C is twice, so Elastic Cloud Computing. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you instances over here. Over here you see any running instances? No, there's no running instances over here. Okay, now I'm gonna say okay, launch instance. I'm gonna say launch instance. Okay, so in the launch instance I said okay, Amazon. Over here quick start my AMI, AWS Marketplace, we're gonna discuss this later. But the free one right now, we have the free ones, which is being a free tier, is Amazon Linux 2 AMI. This one, this is the one which is the one which has been on the free tier, and it's on the 64-bit 8x86. I'll put a select. Okay, 12 T2 micro over here. Elastic block storage, we're gonna discuss it afterwards in the later ones. 1 CPU, 1 GB of memory, IPv6 support, yes. Then I'll go over here in the down right hand corner, down here, configure the instance detail. I'm gonna put instance detail. Said how many number of instances you need? 1. How many network, which VPC? I said no preference, which is one is the default, go for the default VPC. We're gonna discuss it in the later ones in the VPC chapter. Subnet, which subnet you want to use it? You want to use it on the default subnet in the availability zone, or you want to use a specific subnet for this? We're gonna discuss it later. Right now my scenario is to deliver how to create a virtual machine and how to connect it. Okay, how to assign, yes, and just leave each and everything as simple over here. Okay, I don't have to do anything. Okay, just I'm gonna go and I'll just keep creating it. Now I'm gonna go and go to the storage. Okay, 8 GB, general purpose, GPT-2. Okay, all these not encrypted. It's a root volume because we are doing for Linux. Add tags. Okay, I'm gonna add a tag name my first EC2, my first EC2. Okay, just put an add a name like for to know. And next on the top right hand corner down there, configure the security group. Over here, use or create a security group or select an existing. If you have an existing security group, you can create a security group, the existing one. Okay, or if you want to create a new one, we're gonna come into this one afterwards, but we're gonna go and select an existing security group, which is our VPC security group. Okay, over here you see this is a security group. Now I'm gonna go and write on the right hand down corner, I'm gonna go review, and you see this over here, and launch. Choose, now it will gonna connect it through the existing key pair. Okay, create a new key pair. Okay, I'm gonna create a new key pair. What is it? Is it, I can say it's in Ontario, or yes, Ontario key. Okay, Ontario key. I'm gonna say okay, download the key pair. The key pair is being downloaded. That is a PEM file. Okay, I'll put it on my desktop into a folder EC2, and I'll put it over here, and I'll save it. Okay, I save this. This keys will not be given. Then I said launch an instance, and it will gonna launch an instance. Your instances are launching. How we're gonna verify that the EC2 is, or the virtual machine is being created and it's working? We again go on the top left hand corner under the services. We go there, click on EC2. Okay, running instances. If you see that, see, it is still pending right now. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna just pause it for a minute until it get completed, and then we're gonna try to connect it. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, it's, you can see it is running right now. Either I'm gonna use a connect over here, or I'm gonna use another way of connecting this virtual machine. So what the next step which I'm gonna do after creating this virtual machine, okay, to see make sure that it is connected, what I'll do, I'll go into the Google Chrome over here, I open the tab over here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install, I'm gonna download and download a Chrome extension. Make sure I'm just writing it down, a Chrome extension. I'm gonna make it download a Chrome extension called secure. Okay, I'm gonna write it down, Chrome extension. Okay, over here, Chrome extension. Over here in the search, I'm gonna put secure shell app. Okay, if you go down over here, you're gonna see secure shell app, and you say add it to Chrome. I already have it in my Chrome, so I don't need it, so I can just put it. Okay, add that extension. Okay, and then I'm gonna see this secure shell has been added to the Chrome. Okay, so how I'm gonna see it, I'll click on this, the new tab. On the left top corner, you're gonna see apps button. You select on apps, and you see this secure shell app. Can you see it? Here you go. Okay, you got it. Yes. Okay, so this is the way you're gonna see it. Okay, so on the instances, when I'm on the Amazon, on the AWS console, you see this public IP address, this one, you copy it to the clipboard. Okay, copy it to the clipboard, and then you put it over here, this IP address. Okay, and this, you put this IP address over here. Okay, and then you import the file. Then you're gonna import the file, but it will, I don't think so it's gonna work, but let's see. We have to run a keygen on that. We're gonna go into my desktop, EC2, where I downloaded it, and Ontario files, import. Okay, so it's showing Ontario key.pam import. I put the IP address which I copied it from here. I'll just put it over here. Okay, I just copied the public IP address, I put it on the clipboard, I put it on the secure shell, and then I'll try to enter to connect. And are you sure you want to continue connecting? I said yes. You see this? My first EC2 instance has been connected. Then I'm gonna go to sudo su to get a privilege. Okay, and as a privilege on the root user, I can do pwd as a present working directory. I am working as a home ec2-user. Okay, then I'll put yum update -y. You see this? It's updating my yum updates, all updates on my Linux virtual machine. So this is how we create our EC2 instance in AWS. If you have any issues, kindly give me a kindly contact me on my email addresses. I'll put it on my in my resources section, definitely. And if you think that it's a good video, kindly subscribe my channel and let me know that, give me a confidence, because this is my first video which has been uploaded into the YouTube for you guys. So this is the way I told you how to create EC2 instances on Amazon AWS console and how to connect it. So this is the way I connected all these my virtual machines on Linux. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you very much. Bye bye.